I remember when I first learned to toy toy. Yo, changed my life.
I'm black. And I was like, wow, this stuff is powerful. Yeah, bro?
Some people think that only black people can do it, you know, genetically speaking. And if white people, you know, try, we need to lean on something, or we don't have the right body structure. But it's not true.
With good teaching, anybody can do it. Well, almost. Before toying, we recommend that you stretch for at least 10 minutes to avoid injury. It is very, very important that you wear loose-fitting clothing, comfortable shoes, or barefoot, otherwise gumboots. Step 1, root position. Start with a nice upright posture, feet firmly planted, but light and ready for lift-up. Keep the knees bouncy. Step 2, the jog. Gently begin to jog on the spot, slowly lifting your knees higher and higher, depending on the duration of your desired toy, as well as the temperature and altitude. Step 3, arm positions. The left arm extends almost as if defending the body, as if carrying an imaginary shield. The right arm adopts a position above the head as if about to throw a spear and moves in a short stabbing motion. Of course, what makes the toy so safe and non-violent is the usual absence of such weapons in the actual activity. Instead, we see the presence of air weapons, not entirely unlike the air guitarist. Step 4, music. Important is your choice of music and song. Opera has proved not to work, as well as music associated with the waltz. What is needed is something upbeat, frenetic, and preferably monotonous. Step 5, voice. The use of voice and song is especially important. Often favored is a grunt in time with the steps and sounds something like hi, 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 hi. This is also where the message or demand can often accurately be communicated, either by holding up a sign or using the words of the song along with the lines of we want. Sifuni cell phone, hi, hi, hi. 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 Sifuni amanzi, hi, hi, hi. Sifuni fresh air, hi, hi, hi. And congratulations, you are toying. Now, with great power comes great responsibility and due caution. Now that you know how to toy, it is vital that you find good reasons to do so. It is also not recommended that you attempt toying alone, especially in public places. However, a successful toyer with a reputation, which can spread far and wide very quickly, can use the toy as a bargaining tool. If you don't refund me, I'm going to toy. Right here, right now. Huh? Huh? Notice how you can use the toy as a threat without even lifting more than one knee. However, when two well-known and much accomplished toyers come face to face, things can get ridiculous. Hi! 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 At the end of the day, most important is to be happy and united with your brothers and sisters. So use the vigorous workout that a toy provides as a form of joyful celebration. For more video courses on bringing out your inner African, including Xhosa language lessons and specials on Sunbeds, please visit www.learnxhosa.co.za. Makos.
Humankind must put an end to war, or war will put an end to humankind. Africa and the world cannot afford self-pity. If something is not worth living for, it is not worth dying for. Yes, this is the voice of reason in search of liberty eternal.
Hi, 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 hi.